Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm at the Boyd family farm in New Market, Alabama. The Boyd family farm has all kinds of exotic animals. They have a small petting zoo up front with horses and alpacas. And it's also a working farm. Blueberries are in season right now. Here's a peacock right over here. Looky there. Is that an albino peacock? They are looking for any amount of shade they can get today. Hey there. Hey, buddy.
Hello. Hello. No need to run.
A ring-tailed lemur. A wild macaw. Cody Mundy, ready to escape at any moment. It's the kangaroos. Uh-oh, he's hopping a little bit, a little timid.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.